Sup, fuckers? Today I'm gonna put shit in my microwave. I need to stop. Okay. First, I'm gonna put this phone in there, because I don't know why. I hope it explodes and something interesting happens. Cook your phone for 30 seconds in the microwave to get that delicious crunch shit. Let's just... Do you see that? Do you see what's happening in there? Probably not. Fuck, I think it's about to explode. Yep, okay. See that smoke? A little bit. Oh shit, it smells. Well, that was a bad idea. It's very hot too. I do not recommend cooking a phone. Holy shit, it's hot. Do you see right there where it's burnt a little bit? Yeah. Cooked phone. Next, I'm gonna put a watch in there because, wait, no, stop. Because I think something good might happen. I don't know. Let's just, holy fuck, it smells in here. I'm getting some perfume. Holy shit. It smells like ass. Okay. Just gonna suck my cock. Okay. Watch is in. Let's cook it for the rest of 17 seconds. Now, let's just zoom. Nothing's happening. Oh fuck, did you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see this actually. I'm really sorry if you can. Yeah, nothing's happening. I'm not very interested anymore. And that's hot as fuck too. Let's try something else. Let's try a stick. The reason I try a stick is because I think it might catch on fire and I want interesting shit to happen. Because I'm bored. I don't fucking know. Let's do this. Cook your stick for a good 30 seconds to get it all nice and textured and all that good shit. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Okay. Oh fuck, is that my dad? Yep. Well, nothing happens. Ow! Fuck, that's hot! Okay. Don't microwave a stick, because it smells like it smells like my hair when I burn it. Flat ironing it. Fuck you. Let's put in some perfume. I don't know. Just put in some maybe explosions will happen. I can tell you, it smells toxic in here. I'm going to fucking die. And it's sliding down. Shit, shit, shit. Okay. Put your perfume in. And just, yep. Can you hear that? I hear a little crackle. Nope. What is life? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Ah, fuck, that's hot too. Still not as hot as the fucking stick. Why the fuck did the stick get so hot? It's still fucking hot. Now, let's put it in a plastic bag. God damn it. Fucking hate this piece of shit. Hopefully this will... you gotta cook your plastic bag for a good minute if you want the good shit to tap into it. Because, yeah, plastic bag is pretty great with asparagus. Nothing's happening. I give up on this too. Fuck you! This isn't even hot. I'm disappointed. Let's put in a spoon. This says, welcome every bunny. I think this is like Easter themed or some shit. Welcome every bunny to my channel. Suck my cock. Let's go for a good 30 seconds. Gotta do the dance. I hate my life. Kill yourself. You should really kill yourself. Oh, there's some kid on a bike out there. That was great. If you put metal in a microwave, something's supposed to happen, right? Okay, you know what? Fuck this. Let's put a magnet in there. I don't know. That's all the shit that I had. Let's just put a magnet in there. Hopefully some good shit will happen. No, I cannot afford a tripod. I'm very poor. Send me your money. I don't know, let's use this magnet that my friend gave me. Because I have friends. Ha! Not really. God damn it. Yeet! Is good shit gonna happen? Let's hope it does. Okay, you know what? Let's restart this because there's only like, god damn it, no! Okay. I'm trying to think of other shit to put in the microwave. Let's put this water bottle in there. My life is a lie. Nothing's happening. Can you hear that though? Literally nothing happened. I'm just... Damn it! Why am I so bad at life? Get the fuck in there, bitch. Oh my god, my face balls itch. Oh, hello. Thought I saw my padre. That was really gross. I don't know why I did that. Why am I in the way? I'm in the way of everything. Why do I exist? Oh, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Good shit's happening. Good shit's gonna happen. Please explode. Do something. Suck my cock. Nothing happened. Evaporation. Condensation. Condemnation. I'm gonna throw this away. Oh my god, it's cloudy outside. It's so beautiful. Fuck. Let's put my pill bottle in there. This is gonna be highly toxic. Do not try this at home, motherfuckers. Just what I need. Make me even more depressed. Nothing's happening yet again. I fucking hate my life. Let's 15 seconds left. It's the final countdown. Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. I need to stop. Nothing happened. That's so weird. No. Okay. You know what? I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Cause they're not. Oh my god! I don't know what to put in the fucking microwave to make shit explode or catch on fire or do like interesting shit. There's nothing, or there probably is shit, and I don't know. Goodbye. Have a nice life.